Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. It's Monday. It is the last week before Christmas break, and I could not end the day with just one video. So this video is also for my fifth graders. Shout out to my fifth graders. And it's going to focus on factoring. So blank days left until Christmas. So we're going to assume that Christmas Eve is the 24th. So today is December 19th. Christmas Eve is December 24th. 24 minus 19 is 5. There are 5 days until Christmas. Now, factoring, we have to determine, is 5 a prime number or a composite number? And does it have an odd or even number of factors? So, for those of you that don't understand the difference between prime and composite, a prime number is a number that's factors are only 1 in the number itself. Prime number is a number greater than 1 where the factors are only 1 in the number itself. A composite number is a number greater than 1 that has multiple factors, so more than just the number 1 in the number itself. So the number 5, 1 and the number itself are factors of every number that's greater than 1. So 1 and 5 are factors of 5. If I were to make 5 tallies and I were to make one group of 5, that would work. Now, what we need to determine is if 2, 3, and 4 are factors of 5. Can 2, 3, and the numbers 2, 3, or 4 be divided equally by 5? And 6 and beyond we don't have to worry about, because you can't have a number that's larger. Like a number larger than 5 cannot be a factor of 5. Factors of 5 would only be 5 or less. So we're going to look at the number 2. I'm going to make 5 tallies. I'm going to make them in rows of 2. If I can get an equal number of groups of 2 within the number 5, then 2 is a factor of 5. If I make my 5 tallies and I don't have equal rows of 2, then 2 would not be a factor of 5. So I'm going to make 5 tallies in rows of 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you notice, I have one row of 2, I have another row of 2, and then I have a row of 1. I was not able to get equal groups of 2 within the number 5. So the number 2 is not a factor of 5. 2 is not a factor of 5. If I made another tally, I wouldn't have 5. I would have 6. All right. Now I'm going to make 5 tallies in rows of 3. If I can get an equal number of rows of 3 within the number 5, then 3 would be a factor. If I can't get an equal groups of 3 within the number 5, then 3 would not be a factor. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just counted up to 5. I have one group of 3, and then I have another group of 2. I wasn't able to get equal groups of 3 within the number 5. If I make another tally, I'll have 2 equal groups of 3, but then I'll be at 6. So 3 is also not a factor of 5. 3 goes into 5 one time, and it's not even. I'd have a remainder there. All right. Now I'm going to make tallies in rows of in groups of 4. I'm going to put 4 tallies in each row. I think that you already know the answer, but we'll I'll do it out just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I was able to get one group of 4 within the number 5, and then in the second row I have a group of 1. I wasn't able to get equal groups of 4 within the number 5. I was able to get one group of 4, and I had a remainder of 1. So 4, therefore, is not a factor of 5. So therefore, the number 5 would be a prime number because the only factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So 5 would be prime. Now, is there an odd or even number of factors? So all prime numbers, they have two factors in them. They have the number 1, the number itself. There are two factors in the number 5. 1 and 5 are the two factors within the number 5. So 5 would have an even number of factors. All right, that is my example for today. I'm going to end the video with some basketball. Now, I did dunks in my last video. This video, jump shots. 1 minute. I'm going to start at the 7-minute and 20-second mark. I'm going to catch and shoot. I'm going to count how many makes I can get in a minute. And this is a great drill also to do at home on a regulation hoop. This drill, I'm doing it for fun on a Nerf hoop, but great drill to actually work on when you're actually practicing basketball on a 10-foot hoop with a regulation ball. All right. I said I was going to start at the 6-minute, 30-minute mark, but I'll start at the 7-minute mark to make it even. All right. So I'm going to throw the ball off the ball. I'm going to catch the ball in the triple threat position, shoot. And I'm not counting misses. I'm only counting makes. I'm counting all the makes. I'm going to see how many I can make in 1 minute. Here we go. Ready? One. Still at 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 6. 7. Still at 7. Only counting the makes. I'm not counting the misses. Still at 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. All right, minutes up. 11 makes. Not bad, but I can do better. I'll keep working. I'll do better next time. So that is my video for today. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Please hit that like button. Share this video. And if there is an area of math that you're struggling with, write an example math problem that you're having a difficult time with in the comments, and I will do a future video on it. If there's a reading comprehension skill that you're having a difficult time with, key details, main idea, compare and contrast, problem solution, whatever the comprehension skill is, you write that in the comments. I will do a future video on that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow. Or maybe I'll do one more video. I haven't decided yet. But either way, have a great rest of the day. Happy Monday, everybody.